As we know, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Whereas in respiration, plants break down this food to get energy. So we can say that respiration and photosynthesis in plants are distinctly opposite processes. Photosynthesis occurs in daytime only, in presence of sunlight, whereas respiration occurs at all times. Here you can see the chemical formula for photosynthesis, in which water, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight combines to form glucose and oxygen. And the glucose which formed during photosynthesis oxidized to provide energy, water and carbon dioxide to the plant. As we know that both respiration and photosynthesis are opposite to each other. Now let's see how this actually happens in plants. For doing photosynthesis, plant takes carbon dioxide. Its concentration outside the cell is high. So by the process of diffusion, the CO2 diffuses into the leaves of the plant. Whereas during the daytime, the concentration of oxygen inside the plant is high. So it just diffuses out from plant to outside environment, means from higher concentration to lower concentration. At night, no photosynthesis takes place in plants and respiration is the dominant process. So the process of diffusion is just reverse. Means oxygen diffuses into the plants because its concentration is higher than inside the leaves. Whereas the concentration of O2 inside the leaf is higher at the night time. So it just diffuses out of the leaves. So here are the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. See, photosynthesis occur in presence of chlorophyll, the green pigment, whereas respiration can occur in all living cells. As we know, photosynthesis takes place during the daytime only. That means in presence of light. But respiration can occur all times, that is both day and night. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight combine together to form glucose and also releases oxygen. As because plants require energy for carrying out various body activities, the glucose prepared by the plant is in presence of oxygen broken down to form what? Energy, carbon dioxide and water. So during photosynthesis, oxygen is released and in respiration, carbon dioxide is released as end product. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy and stored in form of glucose and then to starch. Whereas in respiration, that chemical energy is partly converted into heat or it provides energy for various activities. Photosynthesis is the constructive process. We can say anabolic process because it manufacturing glucose. So as a result of which there is a gain in weight. Whereas in respiration, oxidation takes place, means destruction, or we can say catabolic process, where the glucose is broken down. So we can say it results in loss of weight. Every part of a plant, such as leaves, stem, roots, and even the deepest placed cell in any region respires. Oxygen is obtained from the atmosphere through three inlets. That is, in leaves, it is stomata. In stem, oxygen is diffuses through lenticels. Whereas in roots, it is through general surface. So during daytime, in photosynthesis, the leaves produce oxygen, some of which is used in respiration, and the rest is diffused out. And the carbon dioxide that produced during respiration in the leaves serve as a raw material for photosynthesis. At night, even the leaves obtain oxygen from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide. Hence, there appears to be some truth in the belief that one should not sleep under a tree at night. But actually, there is more CO2 inside the house than under a tree at night. Respiration are of two types, that is, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs only when oxygen is available. So the oxygen is used for complete oxidation of glucose with the formation of carbon dioxide and water as end product. In aerobic respiration, the glucose breaks down completely, thus form carbon dioxide, water, and also liberate large quantity of energy in the form of ATP. So, one glucose molecule forms 38 ATP. In some parts of the plant, respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. This process is called anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, glucose molecule is incompletely broken down into ethanol and carbon dioxide and release very small quantity of energy. So from the chemical reaction only you can understand that glucose break down to form ethanol, carbon dioxide and small quantity of energy, that is only 2 ATP. This process cannot occur in a plant for more than a few days. But there are certain microscopic organisms such as certain bacteria or fungi which normally respire anaerobically. So in plants, aerobic respiration occurs normally throughout life, whereas anaerobic respiration occurs temporarily for short periods.